has not much to do with drills. It's high precision carbide tools made for computerized machines. If you cannot put these tools in a handheld machine, router, because they're too hard, they will break. So these tools, they are made for high quality CNC machine with smooth movements. I started my own engraving company 30 years ago. Actually, that's why I'm here, because I have 30 years jubilee in the business. And I was lucky to buy from a bankrupt company one of the best engraving machines on the market. I said, okay, now I will make money on stainless steel. But stainless steel is difficult, and I broke the tools all the time. So I made my own program and had them made in Switzerland. So that was the beginning. I had problem in finding the right tools myself, so I have a little practical background. You cannot make these tools on any kind of grinding machine. The machines that make these tools is very, very expensive because you need high precision. We talk about microns, not millimeters in tolerances. So for the customers, it's extremely important that the dimensions are the same. When you buy a 6mm, it cannot be 5.9 or 6.1, especially if it's do the same job for the same customer. It must always be the same. Amazing. I did not expect too much of such a small exhibition, but very positively surprised. In sign and print, yes, because we do most of the exhibition down on the continent, bigger markets, and we work on a niche market. So here in Norway, we have most of the potential customers. So for us, it's more interesting to go down to Viscom or Vespa, where the potential is so much bigger. But I'm glad I did it now. We get value for money here now.
Well, my name is Rune Hansen, and I'm from a company called Brothers Hansen, or Hansen Brothers, and we are producing light boxes with flexible face in the front. So we can make huge signs up to 150 square meters. We have done this for 23 years, and of course you will be many of the big companies during the period. It's almost the same. It's just small things that make it a bit better. Well, this is a very, very small exhibition, so I don't think it has been so much people here. But I have met some of my customers that I've never seen so often, so that's good.
Doing very good. We have good sales. One of the top 3, I would say, depending on product area, product group. There are some changes when it comes to humidity, for instance. That's the future. We see the double-digit growth, so we need to be good there. Orders are getting smaller, deliveries are getting faster, and product qualities needs to be in place. So we need to have more and more goods in stock. We're having faster and faster feeds, and we see that paper mills from before they're going bankrupt. There are less and less paper mills, and demand on paper in general is going down. But there is also a part which is going up, and we need to be also on the upside of the business.
show a lot of excellent prints on excellent paper and to excellent people. We also call it VIP concept, very important prints on very important paper to very important people. I have been in this business for over 40 years. I have also had my own offset machine many years ago, but I didn't know that there was as much creative paper in the world that there is. You have to know what's on the shelf to make value in paper, to make paper work, and to make value for your customers. I have been in this business many years, as I told you, and when I was young and started as a graphic designer, we didn't learn anything about paper and what it could do. But there's a lot of great designers, paper designers all over the world, and they have paper that can add value to your print. And I will show you one. This is one of the print that is a part of this exhibition and a competition. And it's a famous actor called Viggo Mortensen. Actual movie in the cinemas right now called Captain Fantastic. And Viggo Mortensen has made this paper himself. It's handmade paper with flower seed. And when you are leaving the cinema and go home to your garden or your little flat, you can put the paper in a pot or in your garden and a little earth above and water. And in half a year, there's flower seed in the paper that will come up to remind you of a fantastic picture and a fantastic actor. I help my customers make print that works. Today it's about price and printability, but even the cheapest print is too expensive if it doesn't work. And I inspire both printers, the graphic designers and the print buyers. And my customer calls me the graphic design business Christmas woman. I present myself as a gift to my customers because I add value to their business.
We are a printing company with paper and go on like marketing. That's marketing. So we'll like a lot of die cutting and addressed paper. We have a die cut in our printing. We have web printing and we have sheet printing, and we can in both machine die cut, and we can put glue and perforation.
And that can be done also on a web offset?
Yes, so that too. And we have a special web machine who can do up to 250 grams paper, and we can go it out with the sheets. We're looking for marketing people and retailers and something like that. So we can go see what's happening.
We are doing the label here for the whole Scandinavian market, and we make all things ourselves, and we make the service very, very quick. We make this service and we make the sample to the customer before the order, and the sample is free of charge. So we make a service other companies don't do. We're doing the print. First of all, the print and the cutting and the polyurethane doming with the 4 automatically machines, with the digital machines, and we can make up to 1 meter long decoration. We have made some things for England, for UK, and we have a customer in UK, and he send the job to us, and we make a big decoration job for him, and we make job for Germany and for Austria, for Sweden, from Denmark and Norway. We are every time exhibitor in this print messe because it is very nice for us. We meet a lot of customers here. A lot of customers come to us and say, hello, nice to see you. It is fantastic.